Hello everybody, let me show you today how you can check your hard drive for errors or bad sectors. So if you're having some strange problems in your PC or your system is a little bit old and you want to check the health of your hard drive, now I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you have any bad sectors, maybe it's time to get one new. Like the new key that you can get from the sponsor of today's video.
Keysfans. On keysfans.com, you can find cheap OEM license keys for Windows 10 and 11, Microsoft Office and even games. By clicking on the link in the description, you will get an additional discount up to 62%. Stop paying an absurd amount of money for your keys and head to keysfans.com, add your desired software to your card. You can buy it using PayPal or credit card and enjoy the promotion. Thanks keysfans.com for sponsoring this video.
There are many ways that you can check the state of your hard drives, but I'm going to show you the basic one that you can do inside of Windows itself. You want to click into the search bar, and when this is open, you want to type cmd. Now, this is the command prompt right here. You want to right-click into it and click into Run as Administrator. Now that the command prompt is open, normally your hard drive, if you only have one in your PC, is going to be the C drive. If you want to check another ones, you can make right here into the File Explorer, go into this PC, and in here you're going to see the letters of the drives that you have in your system. Now, inside of the command prompt, you want to type chk dsk, one space, and then followed by the letter of the drive that you want to check out. Press enter, and this is going to start. It's going to analyze all the disks depending on the size of your hard drive. This could take a little bit longer or less time. Now, when this is done, you are going to see right here 0 kilobytes in bad sectors. If you have bad sectors right here, this means that your hard drive is slowly starting to die and it's time to consider getting a new one. But if you don't have any bad sectors and you only see that you have some errors in your disk or some strange things happening in your PC, now you want to type again chk dsk, follow it by the letter drive, space, /f, space, /r. What this is going to do again is to check for errors in your drive. It's going to try to repair them, and if you have lost any data because of this error, it's going to try to recover it. That is pretty much for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed and you find it useful, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome into the channel. Thanks again to the sponsor of today's video, and see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.